Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help you walk through the Eisenhower Matrix template. What is an Eisenhower Matrix template? The Eisenhower Matrix is a decision-making tool that helps professionals sort and organize their tasks according to importance and urgency. The purpose of using an Eisenhower Matrix is to free up a professional's time and increase productivity toward their goals. The Eisenhower Matrix is a box divided into 4 quadrants, with each one representing a combination of importance, urgency, or the lack of either. These quadrants are where you place your tasks after you make a distinction of whether it is important or urgent. The quadrants are the following. Quadrant 1, Do. This is for important and urgent tasks. Quadrant 2 is Schedule. Important but not urgent tasks. Quadrant 3 is Delegate. Urgent but not important tasks. Quadrant 4 is Delete, where there are no urgency and there is no important tasks. The tool is designed for various professionals. However, medical professionals, especially nurses, will benefit from using the Eisenhower Matrix in their practice and recommending it to clients to help with time management and boosting productivity, form positive habits, and examine things from alternate perspectives. As a result, it can be used by anyone, but is often used by healthcare professionals such as nurses. How to use an Eisenhower Matrix. The first step is to list the tasks in the matrix under each quadrant. You'll then need to reflect and spend time rearranging the tasks to where they are best fit, and this may take some time. Once you're happy, apply to your daily routine, making sure that you stick to where the tasks were delegated within the quadrants. To view a sample template of the Eisenhower Matrix, visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the matrix for free. You can also access the matrix through the Carepatron platform. Simply filter within the Carepatron community section or type in the keywords to find the note, and you can also edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron if you wish to view more healthcare videos.